Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get your new acrylic taskbar, action center, and menu in Windows 11. So first off, the thing we have to do is we have to go to settings here. Just search up settings, and then first off, let's customize how our taskbar looks, right? So let's go to personalization. On personalization, go to colors. On colors here, you can pick what kind of colors you want from your action menu, taskbar, and all of the things in between, right? And the way that Windows work is that all of the menus here is pretty much connected. So if I want it to be light, then you can see my application here will go light, and then you'll see that my taskbar down here is also light, right? If I want it to be dark, then my action menu here is dark as well, and the taskbar down here is also dark. If you want it to be custom, so you can pick which one is gonna be dark. So for example, if I want the Windows mode to be light only, you'll see that the taskbar here is light, but the application stays dark, right? Same thing goes for this one. So the application is light, but the taskbar here stays dark. Now, for example, I want it to be dark here, right? And then you can see there's a transparency effects here as well, right? So it can give it a little acrylic color, right? So if I click on, you can see, there you go. Now it has this cool transparency effects. You can also give it an accent color, right? So I want it to be green here, for example. Give it a second to load, but you can see the color changes ever so slightly down here. I'm gonna make it blue again, but there it is. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.